Hey pool owners! Today we're checking out the Zodiac MX6 suction-side in-ground pool cleaner, a compact yet powerful automatic cleaner designed to handle everything from pool floors to walls with precision. If you're tired of manual scrubbing and want something efficient, quiet, and easy to set up, this one might be exactly what you need. Cyclonic suction power creates a strong vortex that pulls in both large debris and fine dirt for continuous suction performance. No clogs, no slowdown. X-Trax for extreme maneuverability. Its X-Trax wheels give it superior grip and traction, allowing it to climb walls and navigate tight corners effortlessly. Swivel hose with quick connect. The included twist lock hose allows quick setup and prevents tangles for smooth operation. Low flow energy efficient design. Works perfectly with variable speed and 2-speed pumps, making it energy efficient and cost-saving. Compact, lightweight design. Despite its power, the MX6 is small and easy to handle, perfect for medium-sized in-ground pools. Excellent cleaning performance, great suction and wall climbing ability. Energy efficient, works well even with low-speed pumps. Easy to assemble and maintain, quick hose connection and minimal upkeep. Small debris container, may need to empty more often in heavily dirty pools. Limited to suction side setups, not ideal for pools without a suction port. Overall, the Zodiac MX6 offers a powerful, compact, and efficient solution for keeping your in-ground pool spotless, without breaking the bank or your back. Water wave. If you're looking for a durable, low-maintenance cleaner that really gets the job done, this one's hard to beat. Check it out now on Amazon, link in the description or tap here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more pool tech and home gadget reviews. See you in the next one.